of the day, His Excellency Ambassador of India to Nepal, Shri Ranjit Ray, Honorable Labdev Avasthi, Director General, Department of Education, Sanotimi Bhaktapur, Honorable Chairperson Shri Anil Kedia, Guest of Honor Shri Mahendra Kumar Khurana, Counselor, Education and Politics, Embassy of India, Mr. Ratan Jha, Director, Ashwin College and Research Hospital, Mr. Rakesh Jha, Member of School Management Committee, other special and distinguished guests, CAOs, wing coordinators, faculty heads, teachers, worthy parents, and all the bright and shining faces of my dearest students, a very good afternoon to all. Annual Prize Giving Day celebration is the most resonant moment in this school year, and here I join you all to extend a warm welcome and feel delighted with your cherished and momentous presence on this day's function. The academic year 2013 and 14 has been very purposeful and a fruitful year. The year witnessed many milestones of excellent achievements in academics, co-curricular activities, sports and games, which aimed at improving the quality education and holistic development of the students. I feel proud and privileged to present before you a brief report of the achievements of the school in the session 2013 and 14. Like ever at the juncture, when the school year 2013 and 14 concluded so very successfully, I would call one and all to join hands to pay homage to late Sri Shankarlal Kedia, the founder of the school, and late Sushil Kedia, in whose name the school has been established. Yes, these two pious souls and their untold vision is the guiding fountain of our school. As the school year concluded, it is important to reflect upon the events that piece together the whole educational experience for the children we serve. Committed to excellence, the staff of DAV Sushil Kedia Vishwabharati is dedicated to the goal that all students reach challenging levels of performance so that they will achieve their highest potential with due importance to the scholastic and scholastic achievements. We continue to orchestrate educational opportunities that strengthen, expand, and enrich the minds of the students. By weaving together school planned events, multifaceted assessment, and a strong curriculum, our students have been provided a solid foundation from which to build upon future learning. The main area of focus for any school is the area of academic achievement, and the board results are the best tools of measuring its worth. Our school is always blessed in the context of board results, especially for the continued legacy of success shown by the students year after year. In the CBSE examination in the year 2013, our students have fared very well. The students cited 100% results in Class 12 Science and Commerce and also in Class 10 CBSE as well as SLC board. In the Commerce stream, 71 students appeared in the AISSE New Delhi examination, out of which 19 students were placed in distinction, 46 students in first division and only 6 students in second division. With much delight, I announced that Kunal Singhania topped the Commerce stream with 95%, followed by Shubhi Agrawal with 93.8% and Yash Duggar with 92.4%. In the Science stream, Abhishek Shah topped the batch with 94.4%, followed by Neha with 94.2%, and Bhaskar Jha was placed in the third position with 94%. Out of 57 students appeared here, 24 students were placed in distinction, 31 students in first division, and only 2 students in second division. In the School Living Certificate examination of grade 10 under Government of Nepal, 129 students appeared in 2013, and here too our students have undoubtedly excelled. Out of 129 students, 45 students were placed in distinction, 83 students in first division, and only 1 in second division. Vandana Sakya topped the batch securing 91.2%, followed by Sandhya Gimire with 89% for the second position, and Kritika Sunthalia secured the third position with 88.8%. In Class 10 CBSE, 104 students appeared for the AISSCE New Delhi examination, and here too the results were pretty well. Out of 104 students appeared, 29 students topped with CGPA 10 out of 10. 10 students secured CGPA 9.8 and 12 students secured the third place with CGPA 9.6. 11 students with CGPA 9.4, 11 students with CGPA 9.2, 5 students with CGPA 9, 16 students between 8.8 to 8.4, and 10 students between 8.2 to 7.6 CGPA. Last session has glorified us in hosting first international educational program. 13 students and 2 teachers from Global India International School, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, visited DAV Sushil Kedia Vishwa Bharati from 2nd to 10th of May 2000. The team was involved in many programs in the school, as well as visited many important tourist areas of Kathmandu Valley and Nepal. Likewise, from our school, 12 students and 2 teachers visited Global India International School, Malaysia from 21st to 31st August 2013. Our students were also involved in many programs within the school premises and went for sightseeing to different places in Malaysia. Character building is an important aspect of students' development. The proud character tree of this school bi-monthly has attracted the entire student community to display the names of students with good character posted on it. The character tree has inspired all the students alike to work towards character building. Parental involvement is a prime tool of success for any school. We see parents as equal stakeholders of the school. So last session, too, family jamborees saw the same enthusiasm and zeal of parents and students alike on the stage. The smooth functioning of 14 different subject clubs in senior school and 6 different subject clubs in junior school blessed students with numerous opportunities to showcase their leadership as well as their inner talents throughout the year.